Thank you for your opportunity. We are from Group 2 with a present brief exercise chapter 9. In here I will introduce myself. My name is Fia Aprilia Nur Afifa. My last registered number is 591.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. My name is Anissa Fitria Salsabila and my last number is 590.
Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Safirida Emilia and last number is 684.
Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Eka Pratiwi and my last three student number is 686.
Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Alfiana Rizkita Amalia Putri and my last three student number is 706.
Okay, I will be explain of BE98. In BE98, use the information for the keeper company from BE97 in 2020. Keeper paid 1 million rupiahs to obtain 900,000 worth of raw materials prepare entry to record purchase. In journal, there are purchases that enter debit with a nominal value of 900,000. Then, the purchase price of material price variance is entered into debit with a nominal value of 50,000. And the case in credit of 1 million rupiahs. The journal is by the purchase price material price variance in debit and case in credit. Thank you.
Thank you for your opportunity. In here I will present brief exercise 9.4.3. Kumar SA used a perpetual inventory system. At January 1, 2019, inventory was 214 million at both cost and net receivable value. At December 31, 2019, the inventory was 286 million at cost and 265 million at net receivable value. Prepare the necessary December 31 entry under A. The cost of goods sold method and B. The loss method. The answer is cost of goods sold method. This is a inventory at cost minus inventory at the net receivable value is 286 million minus 265 million. The journal is cost of goods sold 21 million in debit and allocate to residual inventory to NRV 21 million in credit. The loss method is loss due to delete to inventory to NRV 21 million in debit and allocate to residual inventory to NRV 21 million in credit. Thank you.
Price that by 1000 counter game series from a distributor who is discounting the game. The first price for the lot is 8,000. Bin will group the CDS into three price categories for resale as indicated below. In thousand, we can see in the table determine the cost per CD for each group using the relative standalone sale value method. In group 1, number of CDs is 100. The sale price for CD is 5. Total sales price is 500. Relative sales price is 5 divided by 100 and total cost is 8,000. The cost allocated to CDS is 4,000. The cost per CD is 4. In group 2, number of CDs is 800. Sales price per CD is 10. Total sales price is 8,000. Relative sales price is 80 divided by 100 and multiple with total cost 8,000. Total allocate is 6,400 and the cost per CD is 8. In group 3, number of CD is 100. Sales price per CD is 15. Total sales price is 1,500. Relative sales price is 15 divided by 100 and multiple with total cost 8,000 and the cost allocated to CDs is 1,200. The cost per CD is 12. The total cost from group 1, 2, and 3 is 10,000 and the total cost allocated to CDs from group 1, 2, and 3 is 8,000.
In here, I will explain about the brief exercise 9.10. Boys in had beginning inventory of $12,000 at cost and $20,000 at retail. Net purchase were $120,000 at cost, $170,000 at retail. Net markup were $10,000. Net markdown were $7,000 and sales were $147,000. Compute ending inventory at cost using the conventional retail method. The first, find the total cost by Y. Beginning inventory $12,000 plus net purchase $120,000 and the total cost is $132,000. Then find the total retail by Y. Beginning inventory $20,000 plus net purchase $170,000 plus net markup $10,000 and the total retail is $200,000. The deduct net markdown $7,000 plus sales $147,000 and the ending inventory at retail is $46,000. Cost of retail ratio is $132,000 divided $200,000 is 66%. Ending inventory is 66% multiplied $46,000 is $30,360.
Camper companies sign a long-term, non-cancelable purchase commitment with a major supplier to purchase raw material in 2020 at a cost of $1 million. At December 31, 2019, the raw material to be purchased have a fair value of $950,000. Prepare any necessary December 31 entry.
As you see, the contract price is greater than the market price, so the buyer should recognize a liability and corresponding loss in the period during which such declines in market price take place. And the entry is unrealized holding gain or loss income, 50,000 in debit, and purchase commitment liability 50,000 in credit. It from 1 million minus 950,000.